Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Ford Edge. Performing this routine maintenance yourself can save you money and help extend your vehicle's life. Before starting, gather all your supplies, including the right type of motor oil and a new filter. Safety is paramount, so always work on a level surface and use proper protective gear. Let's get started with the necessary tools. Now that you have your tools, the first step is to safely prepare your vehicle. Use a jack to lift the front of your Ford Edge, then secure it firmly on 2 jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Once it is stable, locate the oil drain plug, usually a large bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan, then carefully remove the plug to let the old oil flow out completely. With the old oil drained, it is time to replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, reinsert and tighten the drain plug. The final step is to add fresh motor oil. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and quantity of oil needed, typically around 5 to 6 quarts for a Ford Edge. Pour the new oil in slowly. After filling, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Check for any leaks and verify the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.